Hi there, welcome back to Magnetic Stringworks. So today I have this box on the workbench. I thought I'd film an episode of what's in the box. Haven't done one in a while. I had to order some gear from Solomusic in Toronto for a few upcoming projects I've got here in the workshop. So let's open this box up and see what's inside. So I'll give you a few seconds to write down in the comments below what you think's inside the box, okay? And then we'll see if your guesses are correct. Well, like I said, I placed an order to Solomusic gear in Toronto, and they ship all over Canada, the US, North America. They're great. They're not sponsored. I paid for everything myself, but I love their store, and every time I'm in Toronto, specifically near Vaughan, I make a point of dropping in there. So I have a couple of projects upcoming, and I did need a few things I didn't have, and they had a Father's Day sale, I guess, right? So, so the first thing coming out of the box are these radius sanding blocks, and this one is a 14 and 16 inch, so there's two radii, if you will, on either side, and this one is the 15 and 20. So that sort of completes my collection of radius sanding blocks. I can put those aside. The next tool, did you guess this? These are stainless steel fret cutters. These are from Hosco, and I'll leave a link down in the description box to Solomusic. But I'm going to be putting some stainless frets on a guitar, and I don't have anything that would possibly cut through those nicely, so these look like they're going to work really well, and they're high quality and they'll last a long time. Of course, if they cut through stainless steel, they're going to cut through, you know, just regular nickel fret wire, no problems at all, right? So nice. Look at that, that's a little safety, cool. Okay, so that closes them. That opens them. I notice they don't open a ton, so you can just get right in there. Very nice. I look forward to using these. Put those aside. Next in the box. I'll save that one for after here. Oh, here we go. So this is a fret slotting saw. So basically, once you pull the fret out, the fingerboard, you can go back in with this little saw and clean it out. It's very fine tooth. Does it say on here? 0.4 millimeters, but super fine. And there's a push and a pull side. Oh, there, 0.4 millimeters. So again, this is Hosco. Very nice. So I have a nice thin curved saw, but this is kind of nice. It's easy to get in there. So I'm looking forward to doing that. So I guess you can guess I've got some refretting coming up, eh? All right, what's next? Solo guitar, Solomusic gear. 5% off my next purchase. And I think the last thing I got, oh yeah, this is fun. They have a whole range of templates, so bass and guitar body templates, neck templates, headstocks, all kinds of stuff. So for all the standard, you know, Telecaster, Stratocaster style guitars, jazz bass, precision bass. So they have this template here, and it's made out of MDF. And what does that look like? Well, yeah, it's a Fender headstock. So I thought it was pretty cool because obviously it's got the 6 tuning holes marked, located, but it has the small little locating pins, right, that go on the back of a Fender tuner and other off-brands too. So that's always hard to position sometimes, and I've had many videos where I've shown that how you can do it. But I thought I'd buy this, and the next time I have a headstock I have to put in new tuning machines on a Fender style guitar, and there's locating pins. I'm going to give this a try. It wasn't that expensive, and I probably could have made something like this using the laser and that kind of stuff, but they had it made. So anyways, go check out Solomusic. They're a great store. They're in Toronto. They're online. Solomusic gear, solo guitars. Really fun place. They're friendly when you're in there too. So like I said, not a sponsor, but I do love using them. So alright, that's it for what's in the box. Wasn't too much. I'll lay everything out here. But again, I'm always collecting stuff, right? You never know what you need for your next project. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later.